In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce shipping cost on Dhgate. If you've ever filled your cart and watched the shipping total creep up, this guide will help you cut those costs without sacrificing reliability. The goal is simple. Focus on the lowest total you'll pay from cart to doorstep. Start by comparing multiple sellers for the exact same item. Don't buy from the first listing you see. Search for 3 to 5 versions of the product and compare the item price, the shipping fee, and the final total. Some sellers make the item look cheap and quietly inflate the shipping. Always choose the lowest total price, not just the lowest item price. Next, change the shipping method on the product page. Click the shipping option, explore the available carriers, and weigh the cost versus delivery time. A balanced choice lately has been standard consolidated options similar to AliExpress standard style shipping or e-packet when it appears. Steer clear of the vague seller's shipping method, which can be slow and risky, and avoid DHL or FedEx unless you truly need speed. Before you buy, message the seller and ask, can you offer cheaper shipping or combined shipping? Many sellers will reduce the shipping cost, provide a custom link with better terms, or combine multiple items into one parcel to save you money. This is especially effective for bulk or repeat orders. Consider buying more than one item in the same order. Shipping may rise slightly, but your per item cost often drops. Always recheck the checkout total to confirm the savings are real. Avoid express shipping if timing isn't critical. It usually costs more and can trigger customs fees more often. Choose slower, registered options to keep costs in check while maintaining trackability. Leverage Dhgate coupons and promo codes, stack platform coupons, seller coupons, and seasonal promotions. Some discounts apply to your total order, which can offset shipping charges directly. Double check that your destination country is correct before checkout. A wrong selection can display the wrong shipping price and lead to surprises later. Fees can change significantly by location. Be mindful of weight and volume. Shipping is influenced by both. Favor lightweight items, avoid bulky packaging when possible, and ask the seller to use minimal yet protective packaging. Time your purchases around sales and promo events. During these periods, sellers often reduce shipping fees or offer free or discounted shipping. Monthly promos and big seasonal sales are the best windows. Finally, test with one order